Hello guys, this is a giant V wide belt heavy duty sander. The working width is 2 meters. And here is the control panel. You can see the start and stop button here. And here is the thickness meter read out. The thickness will show here. Inside the electrical cabinet, you can see our electrical parts, brand Schneider. Let's see the machine working units. The first working unit is a steel ruler. The second one is a rubber ruler. Every working unit comes complete with sanding ruler, abrasive belt, tension ruler, oscillating system, and dust collecting system. And here, this device is the air jet blowers. The press ruler diameter is 70 millimeter. Behind the machine is the cleaning brush. Its function is cleaning the board after sanding. So, and this machine is special designed for big panel sanding.